This is a video about creating a recurring order. A recurring order differs from a recurring appointment because you may want to have a separate charge for every time this instance occurs. So, for example, you may be doing some regular garden maintenance, but you have to have a separate invoice every single time that you do the job. So instead of creating a recurring order, which would happen if you had, for instance, a standing order with the customer, so you didn't need to worry about the invoices, you have a recurring order so that you can get a separate job sheet and a separate invoice for every single occurrence of the job. So I'll show you how to do that. I'm on a slow connection today, so it may take us a little longer. We have our customer here, Gina. I want to ensure that I've got a quote in here so I understand what I need to do, but more importantly, I need to ensure that I have a job sheet here to enable me to inform the engineer about what they need to do on this particular job. I've also got some charges in here, which is £100 per event. And I'm going to now create a recurring order so that I can book this out maybe twice a month or once a day or whatever the recurring nature of it is. And to do that, I go down to orders, I click recurring. I can inform the customer every time I want to come that the engineer will be coming. Appointment off-site, recurring type daily, weekly, monthly or yearly. So in this, for example, I'm going to put daily so that we can see this in the schedule easily. It recurs once every day and it ends after 3 events. Obviously, if I wanted to do it weekly, I'd go weekly and it recurs once a week, or once a month or twice a month, as you can see here recurring. So I'm now going to book it out for someone in this schedule. I'm going to choose Chuck here. As it's a maintenance job, I'm going to say it's going to last 2 hours from between 10 and 2, and I'm going to pick the first day that this starts, so that's Tuesday. So it should give me Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday for this appointment. So I'm going to confirm it. As you can see now, we've got 3 appointments there, and this is the original one, which has got a little recurring symbol in. So let's just look at that in a schedule. Look at it in the old-fashioned schedule here, and we can see there we go, 1, 2, 3 of our recurring appointments. Each one has a job sheet for the engineer, description work proposed. Each one also has a charge that we can send off. We can send it off automatically. That's on another video. And if we want to now delete those recurring appointments, obviously we can do them individually. But if we want to just delete them all in one go because we've made a mistake, we can go back to our account overview, find our recurring orders, and delete them from here. So that's the end of the video.